It's a question on 3D. The diagram shows a pyramid ABCDE. The pyramid has a square horizontal base ABCD with side 5. The vertex E is vertically above the center O of the base. The height OE of the pyramid is 9. Square horizontal base. So when he says square, does it mean all the sides are 90? In a square, all the sides are 90.
Yes.
Can you repeat? In a square, all the sides are 90. So it means that
Yes.
these angles, all of them are 90.
Yes.
What about the diagonal in a square in any figure? This is the diagonal. This is the
Yeah.
diagonal, and trigonometry, like other chapters, is all, it's all a game of your memory, that the rules. This angle is also 90. I hope you are marking the angles with me. Calculate the angle
Yes.
that EC makes with the base ABCD. EC makes with the base. So I have made this angle red. You need to find this angle. Have you made these points in your diagram?
Yes.
So now 3D, remember, if you remember the notes, how is solve a 3D question? Can you recall for me what I told you to how to solve a 3D question?
With a theory question, you would basically assume the sides.
Can you open the notes section of your register, please? The notes of 3D trigonometry.
Okay. But sir, did we do that in the beginning or the end?
No, the trigonometry this is our latest chapter. Na? Trigonometry is our latest chapter.
5 square plus 5 square, and right next to AC square. That would be 25 plus 25, which equals to 50, and then AC square, and then you would take square root, and then AC would equal to 25. Yes, but sir,
Please copy all the steps and solve on a calculator. I hope you have the calculator with you.
yes. Sir, on the answer on the marking scheme, the answer is
Not
68.
the answer. Please, this is not the answer. First, calculate AC. Make a
I
habit
did.
of reading the question. Do not look at the marking scheme. Can you read the question for me?
It says calculate the angle EC makes with the base ABCD.
And presently, what we are getting?
AC.
Okay, read the question again.
It says to mix with the base ABCD.
See,
Calculate the angle.
the question is asking for the angle that EC makes with the base, and presently what we have obtained?
Only the EC.
Presently, look at the
AC.
screen. AC. So can it be the answer? Final
No.
answer? No. Now please find the under root 50.
Under root is 7.07.
Okay. So I have found AC. What I need? The red angle.
You need
Look at the
yes, you need the
diagram.
red.
I need the red angle.
Yes.
So this line is being divided in two by the vertical line of 9 centimeter. This line is divided in two equal parts. AC is divided in two equal parts. What is
Yes.
how much is AC?
AC is 7.07.
And how we solve a 3D question? What is the main idea? How we solve a 3D question?
You turn a 3D shape into a 2D.
Good.
Sure.
Otherwise, you can't apply the trigonometric rules because trigonometric rules technically apply on 2D situations. I'm making another diagram. Look at the diagram and look at the letters E, O, C. E, O, C. Can you tell me what is EO?
EO is 9.
So EO is 9. Can you tell me what would be OC?
7.07.
What is OC?
OC OC would be it would be 3.5.
This is the red angle.
Yes.
Now help me to find the angle.
Yes. So you would use the tan formula to find
Hypotenuse, mark with me, hypotenuse. Now, mark with me opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. And let me know why should I use tan?
You should use tan because they gave you the opposite and the adjacent
What is the
number.
formula for tan theta?
It's opposite divided by adjacent.
Very good. And now I am looking for tan theta. What is my opposite?
Your
In the
opposite is
diagram?
9. It's 9.
What
No,
is
wait.
the adjacent?
It's 3.5. Sir, the angle is 68.73.
Check the answer.
Yes, it's correct.
Please come in the notes section and you will find for a pyramid, write in your notes register where you were working for the 3D trigonometry. Come in the 3D trigonometry part and enter a point there. The diagonal is perpendicular to height for a pyramid. It's a very important rule. Diagonal is perpendicular to to height.
Yes.
Rules of solving a question in 3D. A 3D question, whenever you are solving a 3D question, always look for 90 degrees. The diagram shows a triangular prism. When you say triangular prism, does it means all angles are 90? Is it right that in a triangle, all angles are 90?
Only one angle is 90.
In a triangle, I make a triangle for you. I made a triangle. Now look, this is a triangle. Can you tell me that all the angles of a rectangle are 0? In a rectangle and in a triangle, only one side is 90. And what about a rectangle?
There's two sides.
In a rectangle, all angles are 0. Oh, sorry, 90.
No, two angles are 90.
No, please listen it carefully. In a triangle, one angle is 90. Fine.
Yes.
In a rectangle, look at the screen. In a rectangle,
In a rectangle, yes, four angle, four.
all
90.
the four angles are 90.
Yes.
So I'm marking my 90-degree angles. These are my 90-degree angles. He says find AC. He's asking for finding AC. So how you found AC?
For AC, I used the Pythagoras theorem to find B and C first. I found that first, B and C.
BC first. Good.
The line.
You first found
Yes.
BC because there is a 90-degree, and then use the BC.
And then then I used the BC, and then I used the Pythagoras theorem again to find AC.
Right. This is our 3D figure concept. Can you tell me what BC you got so we can save the time?
For BC, I got 13.6.
And then you made another right angle triangle.
No, for BC, I got 6.4. For AC, I got 13.6.
BC is 6.4.
Yes. And AC is 13.6.
And then we made another right angle triangle, and that right angle
yes.
triangle will be calculate the angle between AC and the base ABPQ. So use a ruler and pencil and draw an extended line. I'm drawing a line here. So draw a line with me here, this one. This is the diagonal.
Yes. Yes.
This is the diagonal. And we need to find the angle between AC and the base this. I will shade this angle, but I want to find. This is the angle and this is the question mark. So again, the same thing. We have the value of AC. And we first should find somehow AP because we need AP. We first find AP, then we can go for the angle. Or we have the AC. Let's draw the triangle, the 2D one. I'm working on the triangle APC. So please make this triangle with me. And PC is equal to 4. What was AC? Can you tell me the AC value?
It was 13.6.
This is the angle we want to find.
Sir, for this we would use cos, the cos formula.
Look on the formulas again. Please open the notes. And please look on the formulas, sine, cos, and tan.
Yes, sir. I think we need to use the yeah, the cause formula. Sir, you put opposite right next to
Opposite means opposite.
4.
Opposite is the angle opposite.
Oh,
I have opposite
then
and I have hypotenuse. I have written the rule on the screen. So ka toi.
wait, okay. Okay. So we would use sine.
Good. So please remember that we are still having problems in the memory, and please make the notes.
Sir,
Memorize.
the thing is, you know, for you know how you put opposite over there? I thought that was adjacent because of the 90-degree angle, and I thought that would be the
But
adjacent. The short part
this is
is
a normal language. Opposite. What's the meaning of opposite?
opposite.
Definitely, AP
Opposite.
can't be opposite. Opposite means which is facing.
Okay.
And you can even check the notes. If you see the notes, you will find that we have shown opposite and hypotenuse separately. If you see the initial notes of this chapter, from the start, we have shown all the options. So can you please see this now? We need to use sine. Okay, if I use sine A,
Yes. It would be 4 divided by 13%. Um, 4 divided by 13.6 is it's 0.294.
okay, and then tan inverse, sorry, sine inverse.
Um, that's 17.097.
Sorry,
17.097.
take it.
Yes, it's correct.
You can also try question number 24. We have just recently did this topic in trigonometry.
Um, in paper 4?
Look at the screen. Look at the screen.
Okay. Yes.
Question number 24. You can solve, you
Yes.
can copy the question from the screen. It will be a good memory. Our
No, I
last,
have this in my book.
you have it in your book also?
Yes.
Good. So now give a try to this question.
Okay.
I'm just coming. Try this question. Please let me know if you get the basic angle.
Yes, the angle is 60.
Sorry,
Oh, the
angle is
basic. 60.
Your answers are matching?
Yes.
Now, in the previous paper, I found a question. I hope you can find it in your book also. Look at this question. Please try to solve this question. Try these steps.
Sir, for X, I got 70.55. 70.55.
Cos is negative.
For the second quota, the answer would be 250.55. It would be 180 plus 70.55, which would be 250.55.
For second quadrant, it will be 180 minus Are these the same steps?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What are the answers?
For the second one, the answer is 109.45. Third one is 250.55.
So good example. Identify please.
Yes. Yes.
Remember the two rules. Whenever you come across a 3D question, rule number one, look for all 90 degrees. Rule number two, convert 3D into 2D, make triangles and solve. It's a cuboid. Do you think all the angles at the base here will be 90?
Yes.
Please draw this line.
Yes.
So now this is the question. Please mark the letters. I'm making the 2D triangle. I have the data now.
Sir, for this, we can use the cos formula. Cos.
This is the situation. So please think for me that what formula should I use?
Sir, I think you should use cos.
The formula of cos.
Cos formula.
What's the formula for cos? What's the cos ratio? Equals what?
Cos formula is cos. No, not cos. Sine. You should use sine.
Good. Now again look the same problem. Na? So please time needed. Once you remember the rules, otherwise you are doing everything fine. The problem is coming where you are not learning the rules.
Yes. Sir, for PT, I got 11.730.
11 point.
11.730.
Check the answer.
Yes, it's correct.
So we keep it up to here. And we are done with this question. We'll inshallah continue in our next class. Thank you.